Your posture is actually shaping your mood more than you realize. Because when you collapse, your energy follows. So reverse prayer pose, or Paschima Namaskara in Sanskrit, is a simple but powerful way to open the front body and shift your whole state in seconds. So let's get into it. And I just want to say, anyone can do this. I have very tight wrists, so I'm gonna show you what it looks like for me to get into this pose. You might be able to relate, or maybe you've got really open wrists and it's gonna be easier for you. But I just want you to know that even if you have tight wrists like me, you can still do this pose and open up your chest and change your energy. So find a seat. I'm gonna turn around so you can see. Take your hands behind your back, touch fingertips, and then just open your hands towards each other, and then shimmy, 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 shimmy up. Straighten your back, try to squeeze your shoulder blades together a little bit, and then look up gently. You don't need to do more. You just need to open up. So do this whenever you notice yourself closing off, shrinking, or just losing confidence. 1 minute is enough. Shift your posture, shift your energy, shift your state. Feel the difference.